Okay, hello everyone. I showed you how we can execute our codes in the developer console in Salesforce. And let's go to VS Code. And you know that this is the VS Code, Visual Studio Code screen. And I'm not explaining everything because it will take too much time. We are focusing on our simple things. And I assume that you connected your org and you created your default org here. And after creating that, you know that our files are here. These are the default. And if you want to create, like in developer console, this debug anonymous window, if you want to do that, you are going to create in as you see here, explorers. Inside of the explorers, you are going to scripts, and inside of the Apex. Defaultly, it's showing that hello Apex. We didn't write anything, but this is the sample. It's coming with the VS Code, and like that, we will create new one. Okay, like as you see here, System.debug here in the parentheses and the brackets, you can say, and in the single code, there's a hello world. And inside of that, there's a string variable, and the variable is enter your name here. After execute that, we will see in the first line, hello world, second line, my name is, and the same thing, temp var is the variable, enter your name here. My name is, my name is, enter your name here. So before that, I can show to you also how we can execute it, how we can create our anonymous code in the Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Right click inside of the Apex, and you are going to new file, and you will just here, for example, hello. Don't forget it, we are not giving any space. Okay, for example, hello guys, or if you want, you can do it with the capitals, hello guys. Don't forget, after finishing your name, giving name, you have to put Apex name. This is the extension, as you know. And after that, let's see here, hello guys.apex. After pressing enter, you can see here inside of the Apex. So there's nothing in it. And let's say that there's the two ways, but it's working sometime or not. If you type here debug, it's showing inside of the other folders, for example, for classes. But now let's see system. When you type some words, it's showing to you enter. And if you go to debug, the first one, we are just creating the simple one, debug. Here, for example, let's say, oops, we forgot it, semicolon, single quote, and I am Salesforce developer. Okay, just enter. Here, after semicolon enter, we are pressing that. The second line, as you see here again, I'm pressing the same thing, debug. So, and inside of this, that's some numbers we can give it. For example, 10. Okay. Variables, we will start to use variables the other lessons or the other videos. Okay, and there are two ways to debug it or execute it, and we are going to view and command palette, or Control-Shift-P for the Windows users, and just you are clicking here SFDX. What was that? Let's say execute, and execute anonymous Apex with other contents. When you click that, but before I want to show to you, we are going to our system and console. There are three debugging here, right? And let's make it to different sides. Okay, we are going to again command palette here. As you wish, you can just make it here, left side, wide area, command palette. Okay, SFDX, Just I will type it execute anonymous apex. This is the first way. When you click that running execute anonymous apex, after successful in that, and you can see here success on read, just we will click here. The next tab, it's showing to us I'm a Salesforce developer and 10. So the next, let's some information like without debugging is showing here. You can see the same thing here. Let's close it and close. And the other way, let's make it some chains. System.debug and down. Okay. This is my number. Okay, if I do it like that, it will not show because we didn't enter here the number. We didn't put single quote. After selecting that with the Control Shift and the arrow key, just you can press single quote on the keyboard. Okay, this is my number, space. Okay, let's see column. And if you want to add more things, we are using plus sign. Okay, like 9. Okay, let's go to the next way to execute our codes. Okay, from here, like that. Execute anonymous. As you see, executed, and the last one is here, and you can see in debug. Okay, I'm a Salesforce developer, and 10, this is my number, 9. So maybe you see that there are two different things here, and service dot, it's continue database, and the other one is API. API means the third party we are using to execute. This third party is our VSCode. And if you do it directly inside of the Salesforce developer console, you can see this message operation. And the other one, if you use the VSCode or the other coding program, you can see here the API. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.